When you tell other engineers what it is you work on, what is it that they usually like assume about it or they typically get wrong about it?
The first one I always love hearing is like, "Oh, I work for Stage Automation," like whatever. People are like, "Oh, I loved the lighting you guys did. I loved this concert." I'm like, "We do everything but lighting." That's
Yeah.
like the first thing people go to, and we're like, "Okay, everything else."
hmm
And that's like the stage automation that goes up and down. We do performer flying. We do stage like pyrotechnics. And then a lot of the ones as well, people assume are like, oh, I work on stage automation. They're like, oh, you write the shows. Like I went to Taylor Swift. That's very cool. You did the programming for the show. And I'm like, oh no, I work on the application, like the internal tools behind it.
hmm
And then somebody else at our company will actually do the programming.
Okay. Is it
Yeah.
pretty much entirely within your company that they do that, or is it like a tool that anybody can use
Over
across
the
the
last
industry? Or
few years, we've actually been kind of slowly building an internal team that does that. But over the last 25, 30 years, when Navigator was first created, it was mostly contractors. And I think it's hard to break in a Navigator. In IQ, it's like generally you have to be involved with the industry already.
Mhm.
But for the most part, there are some contractors using it, but it's generally mostly an internal tool that will
Makes sense.
we'll send a few people out for each tour to operate it.
Hmm. Yeah, that's really interesting. Yeah, I could see how people think like lighting first. That's like the first thing that comes to mind when I'm
Yeah.
like, "Oh, designing a show." But there's so much I feel like that goes into it that you don't even realize is happening.
Mhm.
Like you said, like the stage automation and the stages moving up and down. I feel like when it's done well, it's not really a thing. You're like, oh, look at that stage move up and
Yes,
down. It's just
exactly.
like part of the experience of the
It's
show.
it's completely transformed how I go to shows now.